Hello students, this is your teacher Irfan Ashraf for the day. Today we are going to discuss the physiographic divisions of India. उर्दू में अगर मैं बयान करूं तो उर्दू में इसका मतलब आएगा जिस्मानी खुसूसियात, वो खुसूसियात जिनको हम छू सकते हैं, जिनको हम टेंजिबल भी कहते हैं. Ever since I was a child, I always learned, read and heard that India is a vast country. It has a diversity, it has a plethora of diversity, whether caste diversity, we have ethnic diversity, we have linguistic diversity. Besides that, India has geographic diversity. Now this geographic diversity has been formed due to different geological processes that occurred over the different eras. Now, as far as geographic divisions of India are concerned, I have made a mnemonic for this and I will write that mnemonic over here. Now, Pinch Islands is a mnemonic that I have made for the physiographic divisions of India in order to make things very simple. Now here P stands for Peninsular Plateau and the I stands for Indian Desert. Then comes the N. N stands for Northern Plains. And then C, it stands for Coastal Plains. Then we have H, that stands for Himalayas. And the last but not the least is islands. Now we will start from Himalayas. Himalayas create a natural barrier in the northernmost part of India. They extend from Pamir Knot in Tajikistan and up to northeastern part of India. They extend over a length of 2,400 kilometers. They have been divided into different types. Their types are: first, we have Trans Himalayas. Second, we have Greater Himalayas. Third, we have Lesser Himalayas. And fourth, we have Outer Himalayas, also called as Shivaliks. Now these Himalayas or northern mountains were formed due to the collision of Indian plate with the Eurasian plate. Now they have also been divided into different regional areas. Regionally they are divided into Punjab Himalayas, Kashmir Himalayas, Assam Himalayas and Himachal Himalayas. Now moving on to Peninsular Plateau. Now we know Tropic of Cancer divides India into northern and southern two equal parts. The southern part, you can see this one, this part, it is the Peninsular Plateau. As you can see, this landmass is surrounded by three water bodies. In the west we have Arabian Sea, in the east we have Bay of Bengal, and to the south we have Indian Ocean. Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea are the two branches of Indian Ocean. Now this is called as plateau because this land is elevated from the earth's surface. It is a table-like land. That's why this is called as Peninsular Plateau. Now moving on to the third, we have Indian Desert. Indian desert, also known as Thar desert, is located in the Indian state of Rajasthan. It is situated to the west of Aravalli range. It forms a natural boundary between India and Pakistan. Here we can see the scanty rainfall, less than 150 millimeters per year. Now moving on to northern plains. Northern plains are also called as granaries of India. Different states present over here are Haryana, West Bengal, UP and one more Uttarakhand. So these states are where we find plains or flat land which is much suitable for the agriculture. That's why these are called as granaries of India. This area is one of the most densely populated area in the world. Now we have coastal plains. As you can see, peninsular plateau of India is surrounded by three water bodies: Arabian Sea on the west, Bay of Bengal in the east and Indian Ocean in the south. Now here we have east coastal plains and here we have west coastal plains. Here east coastal plains are sandwiched between Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. On the other side, western coasts are sandwiched between Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. So you can see these eastern coast and western coasts are further divided. This eastern coast over here is called as Northern Sircar. And then when we go down, we have this Coromandel coast. Likewise, western coast is divided into three parts. We have Konkan coast, we have Karnataka coast, also called as Kannad coast, and we have Malabar coast. So now we can see Northern Sircar, Coromandel coast. Now here we have Konkan coast, Karnataka coast or Kannad coast and Malabar coast. Now we have done coastal plains, northern plains, Indian desert, peninsular plateau. Now we are left with islands. Now India has two group of islands. One lies in the Bay of Bengal, that's called as Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Another group of island lies in Arabian Sea, that's called as Lakshadweep. These two island groups of India have a plethora of biodiversity, and these two island groups provide India a remarkable opportunity to progress as far as economic prosperity is concerned. Now, as we have discussed that physiographic divisions of India are peninsular plateau, Indian desert, northern plains, coastal plains, Himalayas and islands. These physiographic divisions, they complement each other. Whether it is about fishing, whether it is about ports, whether it is about minerals found in the peninsular plateau, whether it is about the agriculture, which is the primary occupation in northern plains, whether it is about the water, which is distributed by different rivers coming from the Himalayas. So these all complement each other and create a future possibility for India to have a remarkable progress as far as economic aspect is concerned. I hope you found this video a lot more informative. Thank you so much.